We'll guide you through how to manage payments for Stripe in the latest UI. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe dashboard by logging into your account on the Stripe website. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments section on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can see an overview of all your transactions. To manage a specific payment, you need to click on it to see more details. Within this payment detail view, you can do several things. For instance, if you want to issue a dispute or refund, look for the Dispute button on the top right. Click it, and specify the amount if it's not a full refund. Confirm the refund, and Stripe will process it. If you need to update payment details or retry a failed payment, you'll see options within the same section. Click on Update Details to change any customer or payment info. If a payment has failed, you'll see a retry button which you can use to attempt collecting the payment again. For recurring payments, head over to the Subscriptions section instead. Here, you can manage all active subscriptions, pause them, or even cancel if needed. Just click on a subscription to view all the options available. Remember, keeping your payment methods updated and monitoring any failed payments regularly helps maintain smooth transactions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.